Hi, my name is Kim, and I had an L&P facelift and a neck lift and a laser treatment on my face. I realized that I didn't look the way I felt. I am very athletic and work out regularly. I eat well. I'm concerned about health, and I looked at my face and I just realized that I felt like I was looking much older than my age. And when I met Dr. Lieberman and went through the consultation, which was very thorough, very low pressure, I was just so impressed with the team approach, with their credentials and experience, the warmth of the whole staff, that I walked out of here and made an appointment. So it was sort of a quick decision after having met with other doctors. Looking at myself in the mirror, I feel younger, I feel prettier, I feel more bold in terms of I think doing things that I maybe was not feeling so good about. I would really encourage anyone who's thinking about it to take the leap of faith once you find a doctor that you feel comfortable with. And I think that's the most important thing, is to really have confidence in the staff and the doctors who are doing the procedure. I didn't want to look like I'd had a facelift. I wanted to look like a younger me, and I think that's what they accomplished. The only regret that I have is that I didn't do it sooner.